So I want to walk you through how to change the orientation of a document on Google Docs. So what you're seeing right now is this document is in portrait. Now, if you want to change it to where it's on its side, where it's landscape, I'll show you how to do that. It's really actually pretty simple here. We would go to File, and inside of File, we're going to go down to Page Setup. And here you can see orientation, and we have portrait or landscape. So if I select landscape, I hit OK. This whole page is now on its landscape. Now, every other control is going to be the same, right? The only thing that's changed is the orientation of these pages. So if I wanted to go back to page setup, I could still change the margins. Now, the top margin is obviously the one that's on top, and the left and the right are left and right. Everything else is still going to work the same way. So you now have a landscape page here. And when I export this, if I go to download PDF document and I open this, you can see each one of these pages here is in landscape with the margins that we set up. So that is how you're going to change a page from portrait to landscape on Google Docs. Hope it helps. If it does, like the video, subscribe, all that fun stuff. See you next time. Bye.